Wombat poop is cube-shaped, a mind-boggling quirk of nature that stops it from rolling away and doubles as a territorial marker. Picture this, an animal crafting tiny dice-like droppings in the wild. But how on earth do they produce these perfect little cubes? It turns out, wombats have a unique digestive process and elastic intestinal walls that shape the poop as it dries, leaving behind neat, stackable cubes. This bizarre adaptation is more than just a fun fact, it's a vital part of how wombats communicate and navigate their environment. By strategically placing these cubes, they mark their territory, creating a map of scent markers that speaks to other wombats. So, the next time you come across a story about wombats, remember that these marsupials are not just cute and cuddly, they're nature's very own cube makers, turning an everyday biological process into a geometric wonder of the animal kingdom.